कि मंजिल मिले ना मिले ये तो मुकद्दर की बात है, कि मंजिल मिले ना मिले ये तो मुकद्दर की बात है, हम कोशिश भी ना करें ये तो गलत बात है। So good morning all of you. My name is Jagriti Kumari and today is our presentation session. You know that presentation session very good session because this session under lots of improvement for a student life. So आज हम एक ऐसी जगह के बारे में बात करने जा रहे हैं जिसका नाम तो बड़ा हल्का है मगर वो दिखने में बड़ा भारी है। Yes. So guess my topic? Yes. My topic is हवा महल. हवा महल is a very look is very beautiful because this time Hawa Mahal you go now this time Hawa Mahal lots of people go and it was built by 799 by Maharaja. You listen. Yes. Yes sir. It was built by 1799 by Maharaja Sawai Pratap Singh. Yes, Maharaja Sawai Pratap Singh. It means very good person because this mahal made and suggestion for because this mahal look you very attractive and this mahal present in Rajasthan Jaipur. You know that Rajasthan Jaipur. Yes. But Rajasthan Jaipur under live the ladies so very attractive this look because Indians ladies bangles only for a small size bangles but this types of ladies all hands wear the bangles because very attractive with us. Yes, and you know that Hawa Mahal under one thing unique because no any door. Yes, no any door and no any siri. Yes, no. But one thing unique now. This Mahal under 1953 a small windows. Wow. Yes, because these windows under look ladies because this palace under leave the ladies not as get the outside and then look window side. Wow, this types of very look. So you listen my one quote. सुन मेरी पगली नाराज हो क्या, सुन मेरी पगली नाराज हो क्या, तुम जो इतने गौर से पढ़ रहे हो मेरी जान हो क्या. This palace under numbers of faculty available because this palace under some problems because water problem. That's the main reason Hawa Mahal under not a water present. But unique thing Hawa Mahal flat on 5 and not any siri and then stand on flat ladies. That's the unique because that time present the lift. And now time you lift then you thought no this palace is unique but no but past time person have a knowledge. That's the main reason this time present the Hawa Mahal and then look you know that you have ideas Hawa Mahal color. No pink no. Golden, yes, golden. Because this mahal decorate the Lal Chand, you know that, but Lal Chand you just think Lal Chand you red, but made the temple this types of color golden. This is imagination because impossible than possible. That's the main reason. And this palace design just like you know that God Radha Krishna. Yes, this God Mukut, Radha Krishna Mukut, just like a same this types of yes, same because this palace under numbers of temple, but This palace under famous temple in a Hawa Mahal. But I say कि Hawa Mahal is a very just like a small. But no, I looked and Hawa Mahal it is not halka, it is bhari. Yes, just like me, you say that. But I am not halka, okay? Yes, this is a very unique because this palace under numbers of people stay here and then sand this palace under sand lots of sand available. Yes, and this palace sand color you know that yellow. Yes, light yellow color sand available this palace under, and this palace made this side nearby one river, big river. That's the main reason how it is possible. Rajasthan, that's a palace. This is on lots of sand available, but not a water available. But now time possible. Very technology for China. China, yes, because China have a lots of mind. That's the main reason China this palace come and make by the river, and this palace under river color halka light blue. Yes, halka light blue, and this palace under leave the ladies then drink the water, because these ladies survive the life very easy because this palace under numbers of faculty available, because now time not these types of faculty available. Yes. Because this type of Swami Pratap Singh Maharaja, it means lots of mind, because suggests the design of the Hawa Mahal, just like a Lal Chand, I say na, Lal Chand Ustad. This person by made the Hawa Mahal. Yes. So listen my one quote. अर्ज किया है नो आई सेकेंड कोट ओके। हसीना से मिले नजर तो अटेंशन भी हो सकता है, हसीना से मिले नजर तो अटेंशन भी हो सकता है, चढ़े फीवर मोहब्बत का तो एक्शन भी हो सकता है, एक्शन भी हो सकता है। हसीना को मुसीबत समझ के तुम दूर ही रहना, ये अंग्रेजी दवा है साहब, रिएक्शन भी हो सकता है। So thank you. I love you. रिएक्शन भी हो सकता है। क्या बोलते हैं उसको?